On November 12, 1970, in Florence, Oregon, a massive whale carcass washed ashore, and the Oregon Highway Division faced a bizarre dilemma. Instead of a simple burial, they decided to blow it up with half a ton of dynamite. The idea? To scatter the remains far enough to avoid a mess. But what happened next was pure chaos. Blubber rained down on the beach, crushing cars and leaving locals in shock. This infamous incident became a cautionary tale about the absurdity of bureaucratic decisions and the unpredictable nature of engineering. Who knew a whale could turn into such a spectacular disaster?